Dreame V10 is the latest Xiaomi sub-brand handheld vacuum cleaner. The new model has increased suction power, some design tweaks and extra accessories. However, is it worth an extra $40 compared to its rival V9? Well, let's figure it out in this video review. Hey, what is going on guys? Nelly's here from Nuxtech, and today we'll test the brand new Dreame V10. In this video I will include cleaning, noise, battery test, and I will also compare it to my Media 1C cleaner, which is basically a rebranded Dreame V9. So, are you ready? Let's go! Inside the box we will find decent length extension rod, flat suction brush, casual 25 watts power adapter, motorized soft velvet roller brush, another motorized electric mites brush, long suction brush, main body of a vacuum cleaner with integrated battery, dust box and HEPA filter, wall mount charging stand, multi-language manual book, and finally flexible extension hose, which comes only with the latest V10 model. So this is a really nice package, and having all those accessories and different brush heads makes this vacuum cleaner universal and very practical. Now let's jump to the main specs of Dreame V10 vacuum and do some real-life tests. First of all, V10 has upgraded brushless motor rated at 450 watts, which is 50 watts more powerful than its rival V9. It has the same 3 power suction modes, which can be easily adjusted by sliding the button on the back of a cleaner. Dreame also declares that the new model has 25% longer runtime under strong performance due to its new enhanced motherboard called Space 3.0 Turbo. Well, as long as it sounds very promising, let's see how did the battery actually perform in my tests. On the lowest suction power, vacuum cleaner was able to hold for 62 minutes and 36 seconds, while with attached 20 watts brush head, runtime decreased to 42 minutes and 2 seconds. When I put vacuum on balance mode, it gave me in total 30 minutes 52 seconds and 24 minutes and 30 seconds respectively. Finally, the max mode with 22,000 PA suction was sufficient for 10 minutes and 5 seconds with regular brush and 8 minutes and 50 seconds with motorized brush head attached. So Dreame delivers what it promised, but there is a catch. As you can see from this comparison table, attaching a 20 watts motorized brush head roughly takes 15 to 30% extra power from a battery depending on the mode. So is this battery enough for daily cleaning? Well, before answering that, let's do more testing. Now let's talk about the charging speed. For a reference, my current Xiaomi Media 1C cleaner takes on average 3 hours and 10 minutes to fully charge, and to be honest, I was expecting Dreame V10 to be about the same. After multiple cleaning tests, 0 to 100% took on average 3 hours and 22 minutes. Of course, results are just expected, however I think the new model of Xiaomi and Dreame cleaners should focus on increasing charging speed. Do you agree with me guys? Let me know in the comment section below. Now what about cleaning performance? This is the most important thing I guess. For my test I have used a mix of dust, hair, food particles and whatsoever, however in a bit more extreme amount. I ran the same test on different power modes on my carpet, and that should give you a wider perspective of this Dreame V10 cleaner capabilities. From my few weeks of observation, I could tell that the max suction mode is most useful while cleaning carpets. Meanwhile, for all other situations I felt like balanced mode or even eco is more than enough to get the job done right and efficient. It's also worth noticing that longer human hair might get trapped around the soft velvet brush, and some smaller solid part just like buckwheat might get stuck to those little grooves. Besides that, overall cleaning performance of this Dreame V10 is solid and I have no other complaints. Having 4 different brush heads and new flexible extension hose will help you on various occasions. Electric mites brush will perfectly clean your sofa or bed. Flat suction hair brush will help to clean your laptop's keyboard, while the flexible hose can be combined together with another brush to reach more complicated areas at your home or car. If you care about noise level, this is how loud Dreame V10 cleaner works on different modes and how it compares to Media 1C as well as Lenovo X1 robot. When it comes to the general maintenance, Xiaomi and Dreame use the same design philosophy, making the main parts and components easily accessible. 500ml dust box can be emptied with a single button press, and both dust box and HEPA filter can be washed by water. After 24 hours or so, those parts should be already dry and ready to use. Add to this, Dreame ensures a high quality 5 layers filtration system, and the efficiency of this is rated at 99.97%. Perfect! So what are my final thoughts about this vacuum cleaner and which one you should buy? Well, Dreame V10, just like Media 1C, feels really light and comfortable in the hand. Overall build quality is amazing, attaching and disattaching different brush heads is super convenient and takes literally no time. Emptying dust box requires one click and some shake, while general maintenance doesn't require a lot of effort. My only wish that charging speed would be faster, and it would be also more convenient to have an upgraded magnetic holder, just like Redmi X20 has. Finally, it's worth mentioning its versatility, solid design and variety of accessories, including the new flexible extension hose. And most importantly, it does what it's supposed to do without robbing your bank account, as way more expensive Dyson V12 or latest Redmi models. At the end of the day, it really doesn't matter which one you will choose, Dreame V9 or V10, both are great cleaners. If you want best value for price, it's obviously V9, however if you feel the need for some extra power, longer battery runtime and extra extension hose, get the latest model of V10. Dreame V10 currently can be found just under 220 bucks or 200 euros. If you're interested in getting one, check out my latest discount codes in the description area below this video. It took quite a lot of time for me to make this video happen, so I would really appreciate if you could hit that thumbs up button, subscribe and turn on notifications to get updated with latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, this is Nellis from Nux Tech and I'll see you next time.